Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna unbox a few of the car accessories. That's why I'm sitting in the car and recording this video. So without any further delay, let's start the unboxing. I have like three things here for the car, and after the unboxing I will um, show you guys. We should unbox properly with the knife. Okay, so I will show you guys what are those things, and I will install it, and then I will show you how they look on the car, so you guys will have a better idea that if you guys ever decide to buy it. So the first thing is very simple. It's just gonna go on the side mirror. I'm gonna just install this for just looks, and this I have to open and see, and this one also I have to open and see. So let's just open the other two things as well, so we can do the so I can reveal to you guys what I have here. Okay, this looks like okay, so this thing is for indoor, inside the car decoration. These are the pipe lights. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, hopefully they are long enough, and looks like they are long enough. Let me turn on the accessory and see if this works fine. Let me see how they connect these two. Okay, so I will connect these with the USB. So right here they have a clip to lock and unlock these. As you can see, I'm gonna install the USB type so I can connect with my car easily, because the other one is already busy. Okay, I'm turning this on just to see um, if they are working fine or not. Okay, as you can see right now they are glowing, and let me show you off and on. So this will go in the dash, and I will just put them on the corner. You guys probably know already, maybe you have seen it. So let's open the other one. This is most important thing, that is for your car safety. Um, basically it is protection for lower door seals, because you guys already know that every time you get in or get out of the car, you're gonna put your step there, and it's gonna put a lot of scratches because of your shoes. So as you can see, this is Honda Accord, comes with the Honda Accord logo, and I'm gonna install those on door steps. Make sure before installation, make sure that your door are clean, and plus you're gonna need the water spray bottle, or you can just use the glass spray. This one is these two are for the front door, two are for the back door. So I'm not sure which one is for the back and which one is for the front, because these two are very small and the other two are very long. So maybe these two are for the front door because they are short. Let's just open it and see. Okay, so they have a like nice texture in it. Looks like a carbon fiber, but I'm not sure if this is actual carbon fiber or not. So without any delay, um, let me install this, and then I will show you guys. So stay tuned, I will be back shortly after installing those. I will show you guys. So today I'm gonna just install the side mirror, this sticker, and the door seal stickers. Rest of them I will these lights I will install later, because it's already dark and I need a lot of light here to see all those corners and install it. So stay tuned. I will be back shortly. So alright guys, I'm back. Everything has been installed. As you can see right here, I installed already. This comes a little bit down, so it comes here. I think it's fine because then you're not gonna be pushing anything to remove it. As you can see how it turns out, and it also lights up when the lights hits on it. And yeah, as you can see. So one thing I need to mention, the larger one was for the front door and the smaller one was for the back door. Let me show you. As you can see, this they have a carbon fiber look, plus when the lights hit them they like lights up, which is nice. And so these things are a little bit like let's say more reliable, I think it looks like. But the one I installed here, as you can see, um, by sticker wise it seems like it's gonna come off when I will get auto car wash, but let's see how they're gonna hold up. As you can see, they lights up whenever lights hits because the flashlight is on. And yeah, but I really like the design. And let me show you the other side. A lot of mess here. Okay, as you can see, a lot of stuff here, the wrap and everything. I have to take it out. Look, this comes out very nice. So if you want to install this, make sure to clean the lower door seal first, and then you have to have this one that you used to install the window tint. You need to have this so you can install smoothly and there will be no bubble in it. And one thing, you have to spray water, or if you have a door cleaner, a window cleaner, you can just spray once and then apply the sticker and then use this thing, and there will be no bubble in it. As you can see how it turns out, there is literally no bubble in it, and all of the door seals comes out very well. You can see here also. See, there was a lot of scratches here. I don't know how I got those scratches, I'm not sure, but there was scratches in it, and I have to install those so protect for further damage. So that's it for today. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button and like video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. So one thing is still left. I'm gonna install the indoor lights and then I will show you guys how they look. So I don't know if I'm gonna add in this video or maybe in the next video. Let's see. I'm gonna try to install now. If I could finish it on time, I'm gonna include in this video and then I will show you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.